Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to set my vision board for the year 2021. The Space and Beauty planner is my personal planner, whereas my Never Settle Mycara planner is my professional planner. Now for vision board, I will put it in both the planners. So let's get started. In the Never Settle planner, I do not really have a vision board. So I'm going to put the vision board on the bucket list page here. Whereas in my Space and Beauty planner, there is a dream board option. To start with, I have actually printed a few pictures from Pinterest, and if you're interested in getting similar pictures or same pictures, I will actually link my Pinterest board in the description box below for you to refer. This has everything that I'm craving for. So togetherness with my partner, my son growing up outdoors, and in the current situation he's not gone outdoors much, so I'm actually envisioning him going outdoors. Some travel things that I really want to go this year, some work related things, some mental health, and again a complete lifestyle for work from home. So this is the kind of pictures that I have printed out. To add to this, what I have done is I've actually cut out quotes and a lot of inspiring things from my 2020 planner. I have also gone ahead and written a few things on pieces of paper, quotes that really mean to me. So let's get started. So step one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cut out every picture from this grid. Now I have all of these cut. What I'm going to do next is going to be deciding which I will keep it in my professional planner and what I'm going to stick in my personal planner. So now once I have decided this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out how I want things to be put up in this particular planner. So this is how both my books look like. So this is my Mycara planner. So this is my vision board for the Mycara planner. And this is my Space and Beauty planner. So now I'm going to start sticking these things up. So a quick rule to this is to always stick your biggest pictures first. So this is one of my biggest pictures. I'm going to start sticking this first. On this page, this particular picture is large, so this goes here first. I know that this is a corner thing, so I have to put it in this corner, so this also goes first. I'm going to use washi tapes as well. Now comes my favorite part. I'm going to stick a lot of stickers. Using stickers to cut the monotony is also a great idea. So this particular sticker says payday, so I'm just going to cut out the payday part and I'm going to use the dollar. Over here. So this is pretty much my final vision board for my professional planner. As you can see here, it says know your worth and add tax. This is a quote on silence which I really want to follow. This is where I'm attracting the universe to help me. This is just a few personal things and work things that I want to accomplish. There is a little bit of financial goals also here. This is the largest quote is on hard work, which I really want to attract. And then I have some work bits and family bits also here. So this is the final vision board for my professional planner. Now I'm bringing in the vision board for my Space and Beauty planner, and let's see what I do with this. So again, this picture I've cut in a way that I really want to stick it with a washi tape. My biggest goal next year is going to be YouTube. So I'm just going to paste this here and write a few things later. And as usual, I'm going out with my stickers as well now. So this is my vision board for my space and beauty planner. As you can see, it starts with love your planet. I appreciate what I have. Focus on growing a community for my YouTube. I want to start a scrapbook for traveling, so that is there. I want to teach my son to drive a bicycle, so that comes there. This is again Bhimbetka and Cambodia. I have a nice little quote down there. Then I have a cute little couple which says trust the process. Then I have this lovely little picture. As you can see, I'm super excited to become Tooth Fairy this year. Then I have pyramids for again travel. Then I have an interesting quote here saying that I'm exercising to keep my mind, body, soul wealthy and wise. A few stickers here and there to complete my vision board. This is how both my vision boards will look like. This is my Mycara vision board, and this is my space and beauty vision board. Thank you for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Bye now.